For number 48, for graph number D, we have to move this graph over to here, but since our equation is changing, we have to move our points. And since the +1 is inside the parentheses, that means we have to move our graph to the left 1, and since the -2 is on the outside of the parentheses, we have to move it down 2. So first we're going to take the +1 inside the parentheses. Since that's going to move our graph to the left 1, we're going to have to subtract 1 from every one of the x values. And since we're moving down 2, we're going to subtract 2 from all of the y values. So let's put our x values over here, and our y values over here. So now we're just going to subtract 1 from all of these and subtract 2 from all of those. We're going to get 3, no, we're going to get 1, 5, no, 1, 3, -5, and -3. And we're going to subtract 2 from all of these, which will give us 0, -4, -4, -4. I'm just going to come over here and graph all these, which gives us a point there, a point there, a point there, and a point there. I'm just going to connect all of those points, which gives us our graph. And now for 48E, we're going to have to do the same thing, but our graph is going to have a shrinkage is going to have a horizontal shrinkage, a horizontal compression. So to do that, we're just going to divide the y by 2. So just to simply do that, we're just going to take this, we're going to go 2, 1, 4, -1, -2, -1, and -4, -1, since we're just dividing the y by 2. So then we just simply have to graph that. So we have a point there, we have a point there, we have a point there, and a point there. And we just connect those, and that gives us our horizontal compression.